I am Mohammad Suhail. I did my graduation as a doctor of veterinary medicine, and additionally I have 3 years solid experience at various dairy farms. Currently I am working at a farm having 4500 dairy cows, and my duties include to look after animal health, breeding, calf rearing, milking protocols at parlor. Previously, I worked for a commercial farm having 800 cows. Before this, I did my internship at a dairy farm having 5500 cows. As far as my expertise are concerned, I am good enough at milking parlor. I can efficiently do milking and ensure all the milking protocols. I can do heat detection, animal artificial insemination, pregnancy diagnosis, and dystocia handling. I am also good at calf rearing, and it include colostrum feeding, suckling. Also trained for hoof trimming and lameness treatment. I can also operate farm machineries and can drive tractors and JCB to mix feed and to deliver feed. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.
Take me back.